You have a new product or service for sale? You're opening a new location? Launching a new campaign or initiative? Dealing with crisis situation? If you're starting with your small business, getting your brand noticed and growing your company can be challenging, especially with many businesses competing for customers. But with a thoughtful plan and proper public relations strategies, you can get more people talking about your company and drive more customers. But for what cost? The best thing about PR is that it doesn't cost much. There are many ways to implement these strategies without spending a fortune. Discover the most effective ways to grow your small business with these 7 PR techniques. 1. Get your business in front of the right people. Start sending newsletters. 81% of B2B marketers say it's their most used content marketing tool. Newsletter is a fantastic way to keep customers informed about what's happening in your business. Promote products or services. Promote yourself as an expert in your field. 2. Get the word out about your products or services on social media. 93% of marketers and entrepreneurs worldwide use social media for their businesses. Social media is a great place to share insightful content that will help you establish yourself as a trustworthy business leader in your industry. It's relatively inexpensive, requires very little time, and can be done anywhere with just your phone or computer. There are many ways you can use it: to make announcements about new products or services, to provide tips related to specific topics, as part of customer service efforts, to answer frequently asked questions. 3. Reach out directly to influencers and bloggers. Influencers and bloggers can help boost your business growth. You can find these people through search engines, social media platforms, directories, or simply by asking friends for recommendations. 4. Use video marketing as a promotional tool. As of 2022, YouTube has over 122 million active users every day. You can use this platform to reach out to potential customers and create videos that will attract them and help them to purchase your product or service. 5. Use your website for marketing purposes. A user-friendly website is a must. It helps creating an engaging customer experience. 6. Master the press release. A press release is an announcement sent to the media to generate publicity and attention for your business or organization. Press releases typically contain information about new products, services, events, and other relevant newsworthy items you want the public to know about. Why is it important? Press releases effectively reach many potential customers and influential people who can help spread the word about your company or cause via word-of-mouth marketing campaigns. These also allow businesses to position themselves as thought leaders in their respective fields. Furthermore, it enables you to attract more media attention than you would otherwise receive through traditional advertising methods like print ads or television commercials alone. Should you write your PR or hire agencies? Most small businesses tend to hire PR agencies or freelancers who produce generic newsworthy stories about the company in question. However, if you go this route, ensure that they follow a format that is easy for journalists to use later when writing articles based on those same announcements. 7. Give back to your community. It can be as simple as volunteering your time, money, or giving back to a charity. If you're unsure how to get started, look for local events meant for businesses and become an active member of your community. Small businesses are the backbone of any economy. While big corporations tend to get all the attention, small businesses drive innovation and create jobs. There's no denying that starting a business is challenging, but with the right mix of grit, determination, ingenuity, and PR tactics, you can help your business thrive. The best public relations campaigns combine a number of these strategies, so be creative in choosing the ones that work for you. Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for lots of new quality content. Design Rush. Connecting businesses with agencies.